It's gonna be very sour. I've never eaten so much sugar in my life.
I'd rather they show me the truth. Joey's food fight. Back again in the market I seem to love the most in Mexico, El Mercado de la Cruz. They have everything I seem to need. Fresh meat, fish, local dairy products, grains, and beautiful flowers. But by far my favorite place is the candy store.
Typical Mexican sweets, right? All of these are rolls. They make like a paste of lava and sugar, and then they do it very long, and then they roll it up. It's filled with dulce de leche.
Let's get a few things that you recommend and we're all thinking.
Let's take a few things.
The sugar. I've never eaten so much sugar in my life.
Sugar. She cheated with sugar.
I come to Mexico and it's just sugar. It's unbelievable.
Tengo cucaritas, tengo rollitos de guayaba rellenos de cajeta con coco, francesa con nuez.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Instead of making brownies, I take a longer descanso and I bring the kids some snacks.
All right.
Do they like, what's this?
That is candy nuts.
Well, the kids go crazy for that. So what do they love?
Maybe.
Mexican candy is a fascinating mix of old and new. There are modern candies you can find anywhere, but my heart belongs to the traditional kind.
Don't the kids want coconuts?
Este es coco con leche y miel de abeja.
Okay. Gracias.
Echa a tomar lo que es.
See?
That was amazing. I mean,
That's out of control with the sugar.
In
no?
the U.S. is worse.
Well,
So much worse.
here's why we're worse. Everybody drinks soda, and they drink corn syrup. You guys use sugar here, pure cane sugar. We use corn syrup, which is higher fructose. Works for the body. I don't know. I might be saying that all wrong. Corn syrup, bad. Sugar, less bad.
Yeah, but
So you guys are better than us, is what I'm saying. That sugar cane.
you have options. For example, instead of drinking only soda, some people like to go with sweet drinks as lemonade and fresh fruit water.
Sure, there's options, but the biggest problem with USA is soda consumption.
Yeah.
Soda is corn syrup, and sometimes we get what's a Mexican soda called? There's a Mexican soda that's called Jarritos. It's made with corn syrup. It's made with regular sugar.
Oh, okay.
You get to feel the difference in your body. Corn syrup, the end of society.
I'd rather they show me the truth rather than people that say, oh, it's fresh. Look at this. This is what they want. This is what they requested. But maybe JC6. Y chicos que comen mucho, ¿qué tú piensas?
Una porción de 200 gramos es
Órale pues, me da por favor. Yo voy a cortar. Claro, con los niños, con los chicos. Look at this. Listen, it's frozen y disfrostado. Disfrostado. Defrosted. ¿Cómo se dice?
Descongelado.
Descongelado. That's okay. It's okay. I'd rather they show me the truth rather than people that say, oh, it's fresh. We have fresh shrimp. No, you don't.
3 kilos.
No, you don't.
Está bien, mira.
This might have been
Está bien.
individually quickly frozen and defrosted, but look how gorgeous it is.
Do you know why it's all frozen? Because we're so far away
Yeah,
from
they
the
have.
coast.
Yeah, they even good.
So we don't have a coast here, and it's like a 5-hour drive to either coast.
But this is fantastic. I'm gonna get a picture of him so that I can come back to him. This is my fish guy. Every town I go to, I find a meat guy, a fish guy.
And this guy could see me coming from a mile away. So he gave me a bag with his address, right? And you can tell this guy's, everybody must know Hector. He's got this big, loud personality. You find a guy for the fish in every country. You find a guy.
I'm feeling adventurous. I'm gonna try a tamarind candy with chili powder. I know tamarind is sour, and I have a horrible sour reaction, but on some level I love it too.
Okay, so Joey is in Mexico and he's trying for the first time dulces enchiladas.
Fight!
Enchilada is not an enchilada.
Enchilado means that it's spicy.
Okay,
Because it has
but
chili.
what's in it? What am I eating?
Tamarind.
Tamarind. This is all tamarind.
Tamarind pulp with sugar and chili.
It's gonna be very sour.
Fight!
No, let's try.
I'm very sensitive to sour. You ready? This is. The kids will probably love it. Whoa! Whoa! It's very sour, and it was like a delayed effect. I'm now enjoying it. So I went to from being annoyed. Now the flavors are exploding in like heaven. Again, you got to remember, this is their food. This is what you're used to. I've never even experienced something so. I don't know. I guess it would be like eating monkey brains in Asia. I just don't know how you deal with it. Yeah.
No,
It's a
I would
thing.
never do that.
I'll try anything once.
I'd rather taste more sour and spicy than monkey brains.
Mango is my favorite fruit. What's this one?
This one is mango. Mango paste.
But not spicy or
Yes,
spicy?
spicy, of course. If it's red like that, it's spicy.
No, I'm sensitive to sour.
Fight!
It's so sour.
Okay. More sour, even?
Well, my sour buds have already been activated. It's so sour. Some people get brain freeze. You know what that is?
I know.
I am so sensitive to the brain freeze that it'll knock me unconscious. Not that I'm conscious, but like I have to pull over my car. It hurts. And that's how I am with sour.
Don't take any more then.
I'm not eating anymore because my head's exploding. But I mean, in a good way, because all my taste buds are going wild right now. Amazing and shockingly.
Failure!